In this video, we're going to learn how to use camera function in Microsoft Excel. We've opened the spreadsheet. This is Excel 2024. First, we go to the quick access toolbar, go for more command, select quick access toolbar, choose command from, click on the drop down menu, select all command. Now you need to find camera option. On the data is select alphabetically. Here is camera. Left click on it, click add, press OK. Camera button is added here. Now we need this table for our presentation. We select this data, click on the camera icon, go to the next sheet, left click anywhere on the sheet. Now wait for the data to be copied. Yeah, that's it. Now you can use this data for your presentation. You can use it for other purposes. That's it. That's how you can use camera function in Microsoft Excel. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more video like this, subscribe to our channel.